Hey guys, today we are going to see about the process classification. Process classification having in the cloud dimensions wants to track the servers that are running an IaaS server and a Mongoose web server. Okay, so the cloud dimensions plans to build a new process classifications to recognize all Mongoose running processes. So let's create a IAS discovery. Let's do the IAS application. Uh, Let me go for a credential first to create a credential for the IAS application. Credentials. Under discovery, we have the credentials. Other credentials has been deleted due to the instance expiry. If if that is necessary, I will create the credentials. So let me create a IAS application credential. So let me create the credential now for IAS application. So for IAS application, we should need to create a Windows credential only. So let me select the Windows credential. I will name this as a IAS application. And the username will be administrator. Password will be the which username and password, those kind of things can be provided by the IAS application team or mid server related team. So you can check with them. So I have created the IAS application credential. So let's do the credential validation. When I click the test credential, I can provide this IP address which is given by the IAS application team. So let's click the OK button. So credential has validated. So check the let's do the discovery now. Let's create the discovery schedule. Let me going into the schedule discovery. Click new. For the schedule discovery, the same Windows related discovery only we are doing. We are just doing the IAS application web server. We are trying to build that. So I just named this discovery as IAS discovery. So the mid server can be already using mid server only. Let me create this. Let me save this. And then we can provide the target IP of IAS web server. If I click quick changes, the discovery IP address can be populated in the related list. So let's do the discovery. So let's wait to complete this discovery on 0001 and then I will start again. So the discovery got completed. Let's refresh this page and then check how the discovery results are coming. So the discovery showing some horizontal discovery probe, IAS process, those kind of IDs are populated. So let's see the devices. Let me open the CMDB. So if I click this diagram, dependency view, that is the dependency view. So in here we can able to track it. So you can able to see from the dependency view the Microsoft IaaS server to the Windows mid server. So this is a virtual representation relationship of Microsoft IaaS web server running on Windows server. Also in reverse, the relationship of the Windows server runs the Microsoft IaaS web server. So let's close the dependency view. You can able to understand this, right? So let's close the dependency view and then we can go for the processes. Let me open processes. Under discovery definition, CA classification. So here, this is the list of baseline process. So classification that are used to create an application to host relationships. Okay. So let me open the Microsoft IaaS server process classification. So this is our Microsoft IaaS server. Here you can see trigger props, applications, those kind of things, right? Under the application, you can see the target IP, right? 198.51.128.171. So has an IaaS server installed on it, right? And meets the condition of process classification. So therefore, the runs on run relationship is built between the application and the host. Additionally, application is added to the Microsoft IaaS web server table as noted with the process of classification record. So let's open the web servers under configuration under application servers. Under under configuration. So here you can see the IP address which are discovered IaaS server. So the record exists for Microsoft IaaS server, which the IaaS web server application discovered to the target IP. This is our target IP which is discovered. So you can able to understand the relationship, right? So let's go into the virtual machine. I will show you how the Mongoose web server can be related with this. So as you already know, we already having the Microsoft Remote Desktop, which has been my username and password. Let's connect using this Microsoft Remote Desktop, which has been the Microsoft server has been connected with it. So let's download the Mongoose server here. So I already going into the Mongoose download page. Let me download this one. So this is a Mongoose setup installation software. So let me do the installation. So it has been protected. So let me go to the property and unblock this one. Otherwise, I will set up again. So if I going into the task manager, Here the Mongoose web server is running in the backend. Let me click more process. So here it's running, right? Let's split this lab because this is gonna be a very lengthy one. So as of now, we have done the Mongoose setup in the virtual machine. So let's continue in the next class. Thank you.